Today I'm going to show you how to replace a nozzle on a Rainbird gear drive sprinkler. This can sometimes be required if the nozzle's been damaged or if you've gone out and done an audit and you found that the nozzle was incorrectly installed at the time of installation. So on site, if a sprinkler is physically in the ground, you can use a tool like this, the Rainbird tool, and lift the body out to work on the sprinkler. Now there's clamps that you can buy to hold that while it's being worked on. But today I'm going to use the actual removed insides of one and just physically hold it down to show you. So you need to get access to the actual nozzle, which we're doing by holding that down. It's quite simple to put a screwdriver or a Rainbird tool in the top where the arrow is of the sprinkler head. So the arrow points there towards the nozzle, and raise that screw to the point where you can remove the nozzle. Most brands will have a similar process. Then you want to make sure that there's no debris in there. Replace the nozzle with the one that you desire to have in the sprinkler, making sure that you push it in far enough that it actually will be able to go back down. Then you tighten that screw up until the screw is far enough down that it is holding that nozzle in place, but not so far down that it's actually impeding with the orifice where the water comes out. There you have it. That's a sprinkler nozzle replaced on a Rainbird gear drive. If we can help you with anything else irrigation related, don't hesitate to touch base via waterpro.com.au.